What's going on YouTube? I'm Nick the Tutor, and this channel is dedicated to improving your SAT, ACT, and AP scores. Yay! Now in this video, we have a challenge. I'm going to explain how to prepare for the SAT in 2 minutes. Madison is going to time me. We're going to put a timer up on the video, and I'm going to do my best to explain exactly what to do in 2 minutes. So let me stop wasting time. Let's get into it. All right, first thing you do is download and print all 8 College Board exams from the College Board website. I would then take exam number 1, sit down in a quiet area, time myself, and grade it. You can use Khan Academy, you can grade it on your own. Take those results and break them down. Spend that week looking at each section, find some areas for improvement, some question types that you got wrong, and learn how to analyze the question types. Punctuation, subject-verb agreement, certain math formulas, reading comp passages that you're struggling with, break it down. This part is so important. The next thing you need to do is evaluate where you are weak. And you need to say, okay, these are my weak areas, and I'm going to allocate 2 hours a week to studying to improve my weak areas in grammar, math, whatever the case may be. I want you to spend 4 hours or more a week on your strengths. Build your strengths up until you can get into around the 700s or above, and then you can take some of that time and reallocate it to the weak areas. You also need to learn the strategy of the exam, preferably in the beginning of this process, maybe after your diagnostic test. Get a strategy guide, strategy course. We have things like that. Wherever you get it, make sure to learn how to take the test and customize the strategy for yourself. If you struggle with time, make sure you figure out how to get it done. If you struggle with certain question types, make sure you figure out how to manage around those question types and understand the exam. Now, after you're done with that, you want to rinse and repeat this process every week. So take another diagnostic exam each week and spend 2 to 4 hours a week studying that exam. Break it down, understand why you made mistakes and how you can improve them. Break down other content areas as you go along and create lists. These are math problems that I don't know. Revisit those in the weeks before the exam, and the week before the exam, revisit every math problem that you got wrong over the entirety of the process, and you should make sure you can get every single one of those correct, and that will prepare you for the SAT in under 2 minutes. All right, guys, that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I got everything in under 2 minutes. Let me know down below if you thought this was useful. What would you do if you only had 2 minutes to explain how to study? Let me know what other challenges I should do, what study habits, what advice can I give you guys in under 2 minutes, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.